Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video, and today in this video what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Newstarter truly wireless gaming earbuds. So in this video today I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration followed by two audio sample tests. The first sample test is going to be a leakage test, so you should get an idea of how much leakage comes off of the earbuds at max volume, and the last audio sample test is going to be a sound demonstration to the best of my abilities. Also, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys and gals my overall opinions on the sound quality, volume, and the bass of these earbuds. Alright, which I will reiterate in the full review. That being said, a little bit of housekeeping up front. So this video here today is being recorded with the Pixel 3a XL's front and rear facing cameras for this video. This video is also being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we are using external audio here today, as you can see, to record all the audio for this video. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. Y'all know how the story goes. Alright, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright, so housekeeping done. Now, I also want to let y'all know that I do have the earbuds connected up to my Pixel 2 XL. I'll have the accompanying B-roll thrown up in post so y'all can see this better. And I do have the earbuds set to max volume. Again, I'll have the accompanying B-roll thrown up in post so y'all can see that better as well, because we're all about keeping it straight 100 around here. Now, starting off with the fitting demonstration, y'all can see that I do have the earbuds in my ears. So this is what it would look like from a nice front profile or head-on view. Okay, so it is definitely noticeable. You can definitely tell that I have earbuds in my ears. Traditional STEM style look. If you walked around with AirPods in your ears or any type of stem earbuds in your ears, you know you got them stems hanging out. It doesn't look the cleanest, but it is what it is. Now, in terms of the overall fit, I would have to say the fit on these is okay to good. Now, I messed around with all the included ear tips and I still couldn't find a comfortable fit, and even going through some of my custom tips, couldn't find the best fit. So I just went back to the stock first included ear tips that came with the earbuds. But the overall fit on these, in my opinion, is just okay to good. Alright, so let me give you the side profiles now and we'll keep the video moving. So turning to the left, give you a nice profile of the right earbud here. You can see it's a nice overall fit. Okay, I'll have B-roll thrown up in post if this is unclear, so y'all get a nice solid look at this. And I'll also have B-roll of a close-up of the earbuds thrown up either over here or over here, so y'all get a nice good close-up of the earbuds just so you know how it looks. Alright, so that's the right earbud we took a look at. Now we're going to turn this way and take a look at the left earbud. Okay. Alright, so that pretty much does it for the fitting demonstration. Okay, now let's go ahead and jump into the audio sample test, starting off with the leakage test. So let me go ahead and push play, and I'm going to be quiet, and I want y'all to let me know how much leakage is getting picked up by the microphones from the earbuds. Okay, so here we go. There it is. Sounds good. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm waiting for the drop. Ooh! Alright. Alright, let me chill. Let's pause that. Wow. Okay. So, real quick leakage test. Hopefully the mic was able to pick up some leakage or lack thereof. In an ideal environment with the perfect set of earbuds, you wouldn't pick up any leakage, but these earbuds are far from perfect. No earbuds are perfect, so that should give you an idea of the amount of leakage coming off of these. Now, before we get into the last audio sample, let me give y'all my opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass on these. Wow. Okay, talking about the overall sound quality, now there is a noticeable bit of distortion or crackling at the top end, so it does have a noticeable amount of distortion. So the sound quality is not the cleanest, it's not the clearest, it's not the best. Okay, so it does take a hit there. But jumping over to the sound, the volume, my bad, we just talked about sound. Jumping over to the volume, these bad boys get extremely loud, okay? I could easily drown out my surroundings. With the music playing, I couldn't hear anything. Hope I wasn't screaming into the microphone while I was jamming out. But volume-wise, these are top-notch, okay? Moving on to the overall bass on these. The overall bass on these is really good. Now, it's not the best bass that I've experienced, but it's very noticeable. It has a nice balance to it, and it has just enough punch or grit to really make you feel it, and it really makes the music come alive. And if you want a better experience, you could turn on gaming mode if you're playing games with the earbuds, or you could turn on music mode to give you the best overall listening experience with the earbuds. But again, I would have to say, in terms of the three important categories, the sound quality, the volume, and the bass, sound quality is just good with some noticeable distortion at max volume. The volume is top notch, and the overall bass is really good. So summing up all three of these categories into one, I would have to say is overall really good in terms of those three categories. Alright, so just my overall opinions on those three categories. Now let's jump into the last part of this video. Let's get into the final audio sample test, which is a sound sample to the best of my ability. So let me restart the track. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and push play. And I'm going to hold up the earbuds to the microphone and give y'all a nice audio sample. Here we go. Right here. 30 seconds. Go. Let me give you an extra 15. Alright, good 45-second clip there. That should do it. Let's drop these back in. Let's pause the music. Oh, what? Alright, music paused. I don't like touch controls. Y'all saw the struggle. But that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. So once again, this has been my fit and sound sample testing with the Newstarter truly wireless gaming earbuds. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you would also like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Okay? And if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Once again, this video was recorded using the front and the rear facing cameras on the Pixel 3a XL in 1080p at 30 FPS. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as we are using external audio, so please let me know what you think of the audio quality as well. All feedback is greatly appreciated, and keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.